I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's kitchen. Today I want to give you my success secret for how to chop fresh rosemary. You know, we all know that using fresh herbs in cooking really ramps up the flavor in our dishes. But if you're a beginning cook or maybe just new to using fresh herbs, you may not know what to do with this. How do you get the rosemary off of the stem? What's the quickest way to do it? Well, I'm going to show you my little success secret. The stem part we do not use. That's what we want to throw away when we're finished. So if you will just work with one stem at a time, hold the top of the stem in between your thumb and index finger, and then just using your other finger, just pull the little leaves off of the stem. And you can even just run your fingers down the stem to get it off. And you're left with the part of the rosemary that we want to use. Now, to quickly chop this, I use kitchen scissors, and I just chop it very quickly with my kitchen scissors in the bowl. So there you have it, my success secret for how to quickly chop fresh rosemary. Enjoy.